Okay, so I just got the new iPhone 16 Pro Max for my upcoming birthday. I am so excited and I thought I would just do a little unboxing of it. But yeah, let's do it. Okay, first we gotta take the lid off. Let's try and open it now. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Y'all, the color is so cute. Okay, let me show you the color I got. So cute. This picture, hello. I love, ooh, and it's kind of light too. I love this. Okay, let's take this part off. Okay. Now we just gotta turn it on. Okay. I'm gonna click the button with my shoulder right here. It's turning on, it's turning on. It's on, it's on, it's on. Okay. So, English. Okay, let's confirm my phone number. Welcome to iPhone. Okay. It's so cute. Okay, I always have excessive touch on my phone because it's so nice to just be able to touch this and turn on my screen or mute it or turn up or turn down volume or even take screenshots. So I'm gonna edit that real quick. These are the excessive controls that I like to use so that I have easier access with my phone. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I got these Pella cases sent to me and I'm trying to decide which one I want to do. Okay, let's do the pink one. Okie dokie, we got the case on. It looks so cute. I love this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get it all decorated and make it exactly how I want it, but thank you so much for watching this little video. Live, laugh, love ya. Bye. Mwah.